Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akshay Sri. I am studying ninth standard. We are from TSWRS Junior College Girls Tungaturti. Today our main topic is environmental issues and concerns. Subtheme is solid waste management. And the introduction is the term solid waste management mainly refers to the complete process of collecting, treating, and disposal of waste management. And in the waste management, the waste are collected from different sources. This process includes uh, collection, treatment, disposal of water. Improper solid waste management, municipal of wastes can create unsanitary conditions. These conditions can create, in turn, can lead to pollution of the environment. Um, in the out of the breaks of vector-borne disease, and this disease spread by rodents and insects. According to some research, every person's daily using products are increasing day by day. Just over 2 kilograms of solid waste in every single day. She will continue the procedure.
Procedure of the topic collection. Collection is a proper solid waste management is protection for the health issues and environment quality, and it refers to the gathering of waste from such places, schools, hospitals and other public places. Next one is segregation. Segregation is also known as a separation. We can separate the types of item or materials with the metal separator like paper, plastic, gloves and the metals. And third one is recycling. Recycling is the one of the process which we use waste materials converted into new materials and objects, and it refers to the wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste means kitchen including items like fruit peels, vegetable peels and eggshells. These are all comes under the organic manner, and it is used to fertilizers of plants to be strong, and which are possible to recycle the wastage. We can recycle and reuse for our daily lives, and which are not possible we can disposal in incineration and landfill. Incineration means burning of the materials and high temperature to enough the disposal of waste, and she will continue the conclusion of the topic.
And the conclusion is that solid waste management is one of the most important functions of the urban and rural local bodies. It is increase in population, and it has increased all the sorts of demands, and leading of the formation of wastes. And it is this will be keep the environment clean and neat and reduce the health related issues. Thank you.
Now, good morning to one and all. I am K. Naresh from Janagam School. My topic is Biom Manure. All these are 6 types of biomanures are there, and this is cocoa peat, panchagavya, vermicompost, and cow dung, and this is vegetables and fruit peels, and this is eggshells are, and these 6 are very important for the biomanures, and we used these 6 for growing this plant. So see, this it has 2 chilies and flowers. So use only biomanure, which was helpful to us, and it can increase the soil fertility. So using of chemical fertilizers, we are decreasing the soil fertility. So we have to increase the soil fertility, which was used by us. So use only biofertilizers. Don't use chemical fertilizers. Now I am saying this. It is so important.
Good morning to everybody. My name is Sai Kumar. I am studying Social Welfare School, Janagam. Now, our project name is Biomanure. In olden days, so many members use this biomanure. In olden days, so many members are live above 100 years. But nowadays, chemical fertilizers are came. So many people are using chemical fertilizers. In our India, 70% of the peoples are farmers. Those are using chemical fertilizers. With the help of chemical fertilizers, so many peoples are fearing for their future. The peoples who are living 60, 70 plus age, those are fearing for the diseases. Which type of disease caused to us? Like they are fearing. because of they are eating chemical food. Oh, so many people are using chemical fertilizers. That's why they are taking those chemical foods, and those are causing so many types of diseases. So finally, our main theme of the project is we have to avoid chemical fertilizers and we have to use biomanure. Because of chemical fertilizers, this soil is also polluted, water polluted, and our environment is also destroyed. So if we use this biomanure and we use this chemical bio fertilizer, we have so much of advantages. We have no disadvantages of this. But chemical fertilizers, we have a number of disadvantages. So finally, my request is we have to use this biomanure and we have to avoid chemical fertilizers. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is E. Sindhuja. This is K. Lakshmi Prasanna. We are from Nagrakal Girls. Today our topic is environmental issues and concerns. Our sub-team is overpopulation. She will continue what are the issues of the overpopulation.
Nowadays, we are looking. Our population was increasing day by day, and by the day by day, the people who are needed luxury lives, and the people who are need luxury lives, they are building construction factories and industries. In the factories, we are using chemicals and all different fertilizers. By these chemicals and fertilizers are releasing into water or released by air, and by the releasing in water, the water getting polluted, which the animals living in water, they are get deaded. And by releasing the chemical air into air, the air get polluted and the level of oxygen level was decreasing by the air pollution. And so many peoples were cutting down trees for their shelter, and there is no trees, and the deforestation will happen. And the people who are having luxury lives, they are buying refrigerators and air conditioners. In air conditioners and refrigerators, the chlorofluorocarbon gas was released, and it is harmful to the ozone layer, which helps and which protect to our earth. By this depletion of the ozone layer, we getting skin diseases. This is the skin diseases. We getting skin diseases and skin allergies. And now our people are using vehicles, and by the vehicles, using of vehicles, the air pollution has started. And we are cutting all the trees, and we didn't have no water, so that the air was buried. So now she will explain what are the solutions for these issues.
The chemicals which are released from the factory, the water pollution will be cured by the using of the water treatment. By the water treatment, we can separate the polluted water and we can leave the fresh water into the water. By this, the aquatic animals which are living in the water survive their life happily. And excess of using the refrigerator, we can use the Janta fridge, which is the ancient thing used by our ancient people. This helps us to store the vegetables and the fruits. And by the using of the vehicles are polluted the environment very much. By the using of the vehicle excess, we use the bicycle, which is the near distance. And electricity, we produce electricity from the coal. Burning of the coal is polluted the environment. Excess of this, we can use the solar plant. By the using of the solar plant, we can produce the electricity and protect the environment. Our conclusion is follow the none or one rule and decrease the pollution and save the earth. Thank you.
Thank you.